I'll show you. How do laptops use DMA? So, your laptop needs to be able to turn off a virtualization and DMA kernel protection. You need to see if there is an empty M2 hard drive on the back of your notebook. This is a M2 to PCIe device. When there is a spare M2 hard drive location, you can buy one of these adapter devices. After the transfer device is installed, it looks like this. This is a M2 to PCIe device. This is a laptop. And then, how notebooks power DMA devices. How not to go through this external power supply. Power to DMA. If your DMA device without USB power supply mode, you need to use this external power supply. To power this PCIe device. But the external power solution is very troublesome and the risk of leakage. So Hackma perfected this power supply method. Directly connect DMA devices. Set 2 to power supply modes. The first power supply mode is 12 volts. You can take a look. There is a 12 volts and 5 volts power supply mode on it. This 12 volts power supply mode, powered by the PCIe slot on the desktop main board. 5 volts power supply mode is USB cable power supply. Put this PIC after dialing to 5 volts. JTAG interface on DMA. It has 2 functions. One feature is flash firmware. Another function is that you can use this USB cable. Power this DMA device. I'll show you a demonstration. This is DMA installed. Plug it into the M2 adapter PCIe device. Then put this PIC. Switch to 5 volts. 5 volts is the USB power supply mode. The white line is used to distinguish. I used a white thread to distinguish. Plug this white cable into the USB port of your computer. Then plug it into the USB port. Then connect your data cable. The black line is the data line. Then it is also connected. Now we turn it on. We can take a look at DMA. The red light is the power light. The green light is connected to the PCIe channel. It's on now. Let's take a look. Because I only have one computer now, so my laptop has DMA installed again. I use this computer to measure the speed again. The test has a speed of 5,300. This speed depends on your computer configuration. The better your computer configuration is, the faster it goes. Okay, this is the guide to using DMA for laptops. Then come to the second way. The second way is, your laptop needs this lightning connector. With this Thunderbolt interface. With the lightning interface, you can use this Thunderbolt hard drive. This M2 Type-C device uses. Let's use it. First, disassemble your hard drive. Install this device on it. This is installed. Remember to fix it with screws. After fixing, we installed DMA. After installing DMA, to set this PIC to 5 volts mode, then dial to 5 volts mode. That's USB power mode. If your DMA does not support USB power supply, You still need an external power supply. This is the external power supply. To power the DMA. What about the boards we're using now? The HACMA board is USB powered, so we don't need an external power supply. Okay, we turn it on. After power on, then the board is also normal. A red light, a green light. There's another way to use it. It is this kind of thunderbolt that extends. This PCIe device, Thunderbolt directly expands into this kind of C. It works the same way. Just connect the Thunderbolt data cable. Then plug in the DMA. Then it's okay.